Right, just another mile or so of this road and then I'm off the boring stuff. I'm going to pull one of the bulbs out of my indicators and find out what the hell they are. So I can convert them to LED. Then the bike's completely LED, but I'm in no rush for that. Then I don't stop riding over the winter, so everything and anything that I do always seems to be ongoing, because I'll start something like the side panels and the exhaust. They were good examples. I started them, but I was using the bike in between, so I kind of measure up and think about things, and sometimes start chopping things up. But indicators are a piece of cake. One screw, lenses off, twist the bulb out, check, see what the hell it is, get some ordered online, and then when they arrive do the same again and fit them. There's an old abbey over there. Hormond Abbey. This is crazy for November. It's not exactly sunny, but not exactly warm either, but it's incredibly mild. And I'm still wearing my summer gloves. I'm not a massive fan of winter gloves. They're heavy and bulky, and I struggle to work switches and stuff with them. That's actually another modification that I've been toying with the idea of. Sticking some bark busters on it, not that originally designed to stop branches and twigs and things from thrashing your knuckles when you're off-road, and I've got no intention of taking this big heavy lump off-road, but they do also offer a little bit of wind protection. I've already got heated grips. That would just keep the wind off my hands. The problem is it's kind of going against what I'm trying to do. I'm adding something to it. I'm trying to lose the bulk and make it look as stripped down as I can get away with. Having said that, I mean, I put a front number plate on it, which was adding bulk, so I might check out the Triumph pages on Facebook and the Triumph forums, because I know people have done it. Just have a look and see whether I think I might get on with the look. And talking about Facebook, there's a couple of things you could follow and join up if you're interested. There is actually a Mond 56R Facebook page. 0 people following that at the moment. And there's another one called the No Nonsense Motorcycle Enthusiasts Group. That's just a general one. Not many people on that at the moment, but have a look, apply to join. But before you leave YouTube, give us a thumbs up and like and stuff, please. Now up here, if we have really bad weather, which we haven't had for a little while actually, but a lot of shit washes off the fields along here, and this road could be terrible. Just about from where we are now into the next village. I mean, there's no trails of crap everywhere, so it looks like we're okay at the moment, but it certainly has happened in the past. It's a sort of a road. It's caught a few people out in four wheels as well. There's been a few holes in the hedge where people have been hammering around there, bikes and cars, and lost all grip and buggered off into the middle of the field. I guess if you don't know the road particularly well, that kind of thing can quite easily catch you out. I mean, I've been caught a few times, not on this road, but on roads that I don't know. Been riding in a slightly spirited fashion and come across a load of slippery old leaves or gravel or mud and crap from tractors and the like. I wonder where he's going. He's indicated both ways, so yeah, he's going my way. I've got a couple of straight bits coming up. I should be able to get past him then. He didn't like indicating, did he? Makes you wonder how some of these people pass their driving test. Mind you, maybe they haven't actually. That's it, I'm very nearly home. Over there, you can just barely see it through the clouds, is the Wrekin. That bloody big hill that I live fairly close to. Whenever I see that, I know I'm nearly home. This beats the hell out of looking at depressing shit on the news, on the TV. Right, actually I'm going to pop into my local town as well. There's a couple of bits and pieces I've got to get. So I'm not going to go straight home. I'll leave the camera running. Nothing you haven't seen before though. I'm only a couple of miles away now.